What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to go over a complete progression for learning the butterfly twist. First, I'm going to talk about the butterfly kick, the set. Next, I'm going to go over the illusion twist, and then I'm going to talk about how drills build skills. And I'm going to give you 3 drills that I use to work on my butterfly twist and improve my butterfly twist to this day. Lastly, I'm going to talk about taking that last leap and mastering your butterfly twist. With all that said, let's get started. The first step in the progression to the butterfly twist is the butterfly kick. The B kick is a trick from wushu, and it's the set for the butterfly twist. To do the B kick, you start in a lunged position with your chest facing the back. From there, you drop down and you perform the U dip, dropping your chest horizontal with the ground. Next, you turn all the way around and you kick your back leg to jump up into the air in a big arched body position. From there, you just step down after you perform that horizontal flip. If you have a good B kick, you know how to jump and get the flipping motion to do the B twist. That's why it's the first step in the progression. It's an extremely important thing to learn. You can't get a good B twist without a solid B kick. The next step in the progression to the butterfly twist is the illusion twist. The illusion twist is a great trick for teaching a tricker timing, and it also combines elements of kicking, flipping, and twisting. The illusion twist starts just like the butterfly kick. You begin in that lunge stance, perform the U dip, and jump in a big arched body position. But the second you leave the ground, you move to your twisting position, looking to your twisting side, moving your arms towards your twisting shoulder, and bringing your legs together. You don't stay in that position long though, because the second you spot your target, you open up your arms and you open up your legs to perform a big inside to outside crescent kick. And then you land just like you would a pop 180. The illusion twist is so important because it teaches you the timing. You have to set just like a butterfly kick and wait to twist until you leave the ground. But once you leave the ground, you want to move quickly into that twisting position. But you don't want to stay in that position long though, because the second you spot your target, you want to open up your body, slowing your twist, so that way you can land nice and gently after kicking through your target. That's why the illusion twist is such an important prerequisite for the butterfly twist. Guys, if you didn't already know, drills build skills. If you want to bridge the gap between 2 tricks, like the illusion twist and the butterfly twist, it really helps to do drills that are essentially the movements performed in those tricks. They're things that build your kinesthetic awareness and your strength. Today, I'm going to give you 3 drills that I use to train all my tricks along the butterfly twist progression. Those are the airplane jump, the grounded twist, and lastly, the break fall. All these drills will help bridge that gap between the illusion twist and the B twist. The first drill I have for you guys is the airplane jump. The airplane jump helps train the muscles used to jump in the B twist, as well as the B kick and the illusion twist. To do an airplane jump, you start in a nice elongated position, close to the ground, with your leg and back and your arms to the side. Next, you jump up in a nice big arched body position to just land right back where you started. Doing this drill over and over and over again helps condition the exact muscles used to jump when you do the butterfly twist. And if you do a ton of airplane jumps, you'll notice your butterfly kick and your illusion twist will get a lot higher. The second drill is the grounded twist. The grounded twist is an extremely important drill for developing your kinesthetic awareness. If you've never done an off-axis twisting skill before, it's not something you want to experience for the first time by doing a B-twist. Rather, you want to develop that awareness early by practicing the grounded twist. To do a grounded twist, you start in a lunged position with your arms relaxed in front and your chest slightly off axis. From there, you jump off your front foot just a little bit to give you enough air to do a 360. To do this, you just look towards your twisting side, bring your arms towards your twisting shoulder, and bring your legs together. You hold that position, but not for long, because you're gonna re-spot the ground and open up to catch yourself. You just do that 360 and catch yourself again and again and again. By doing the grounded twist a little bit more vertical and a little bit more horizontal, you develop all the awareness you need to do off-axis twisting skills. That's why the grounded twist is so important. It gives you the awareness to do the B-twist. Not only that, when you do the grounded twist, the landing is very similar to that of a B-twist. The third drill is the break fall. If you've never done a butterfly twist before, chances are you're not gonna land it your first try. So you should prepare for that by training the falling ahead of time. What I recommend is you do this on a really soft surface. I've developed some tolerance to this so I can do it on the grass, but find a nice soft surface to practice falling into your B-twist. Do that nice big B-kick set, move towards that twisting position, but then open up, extending your body to fall nice and flat. The flatter you fall and the more time you can take in that fall, the less your impact will be and the less damage that will have on your body. Training the B-twist is usually pretty scary for people, so I recommend they build the confidence to fall safely by doing the break fall. Not only that, it helps train your kinesthetic awareness and helps you learn how to open up in that falling position. Finally, we move to the butterfly twist itself. And the butterfly twist is just going to consist of all the movements we've done so far. It starts with a nice big butterfly kick set. You do that U-dip and then you jump just like you did in an airplane jump. Next, you move to your twisting position just like you did in the illusion twist and in the grounded twist. You then hold that position until you do the full 360, like in the grounded twist, until you can open up and land in a nice big eagle position. The butterfly twist has all the elements of the skills we've learned thus far. If you're learning the B-twist for the first time, I really recommend you follow a more progressive approach and do something like this. Train all these tricks before you go for the butterfly twist. That way you have a firm foundation and you have the confidence and the awareness you need to just get it quickly. Plus, you've learned all these drills and all these skills along the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked how this progression was laid out, I recommend you check out the Progression Bible. It's the second volume of the Mastering Curriculum, and it's all about progressions just like this one. I talk about the progression towards the cork and the snapu swipe, and also some things that keep people from progressing, and some things that have helped me progress a ton along the way. If you guys want to check that out, it's all available at howtomastertricking.com. Other than that, thank you guys again for watching, and please have a lovely day.